Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I will discuss electrical installations. According to RTU, electrical installation is Unit 6 of Basic Electrical Engineering course for first year. So now let us see the detailed syllabus of Unit 6, that is electrical installations. These are the topics for electrical installations. The first topic is layout of LT switch gear. In this topic, we will see various type of LT switch gear like SFU, MCB, ELCB and MCCB. Then type of earthing, power measurement and elementary calculations for energy consumption. For day-to-day life in industry or for the household, the basic knowledge of these electrical installations should be essential. So let us concentrate on the first topic of Unit 6, that is switch fuse unit, SFU. These LT switch gears devices are used to protect users and equipment from fault conditions in an electrical circuit by isolating the electrical supply. So the main function of these switch gears is to protect the equipments as well as the users, that is human being, by isolating the electrical supply in case of faulty conditions. Now let us see switch fuse unit, SFU. The switch fuse units are used to distributing power and protecting electrical devices. These fuses also protect the cables from damage due to any fluctuations in power supply. This fuse unit is housed in an enclosure made using quality CR steel sheet. Due to the good package of SFU, it is very famous and more popular among the household equipments as well as the industrial equipments. You can see this diagram. It is a SFU rated as 5 ampere. The 5 ampere rating means it can withstand with the maximum of 5 ampere current. You will see there is a two end, and these two ends are connected with a conductor internally, and that conductor can withstand up to 5 ampere. By any fluctuations or any faulty conditions, if current exceeds the 5 ampere momentarily or permanently, the wire or the conductor within this fuse is going to be melted and it will disconnect the supply, and ensuring that safety of users as well as the equipments. The features of this SFU is pre-treated or powder coated finish, For cable connections, knockouts are provided at bottom, top and rear side. High conductivity due to nickel or silver plated contact at both ends, and hence it is very durable and rewirable. It can be repaired in industry again. You can reuse the fuse. The application of this type of fuse are very wide. It can be used in industry, resident and commercial buildings for electrical fittings. I hope you will see this type of fuses in many household things, and it is very cheaper, cost effective and very useful for the electrical installation or various types of electrical equipments and devices. The second topic of LT switch gear is MCB, miniature circuit breaker. MCB automatically switches off electrical circuit during an abnormal condition of the network. The meaning of abnormal condition is overload condition as well as any types of faulty conditions. If you see the internal construction of a general MCB, you will see this different type of mechanism are here. The first, you can see that there is a bimetallic strip. So the bimetallic strip plays an important role for the MCB. By this, MCB automatically turns off. It isolates the power supply in any faulty conditions. While if users wants to isolate the supply manually, for that case they can use operating lever. Operating lever is given left side of this diagram. Later I will discuss every important components of this MCB. At continuous overcurrent flow through MCB, the bimetallic strip is heated and deflects by bending. This deflection of bimetallic strip releases the mechanical latch. There is a latch point. As this mechanical latch is attached with the operating mechanism, it causes to open the miniature circuit breaker contacts, and the MCB turns off, thereby stopping the current to flow in the circuit. To restart the flow of current, the MCB must be manually turned on. There is no automatic mechanism to turn on the MCB. It's going to be turned off automatically by bimetallic strip through the latch point, but once it is going to be turned off, it must be turned on manually. This mechanism protects from the faults arising due to the overcurrent or overload. MCB construction is very simple, robust and maintenance free. Generally, a MCB is not repaired or maintained. It's just replaced by a new when required. MCB has normally three main construction parts. The first is frame of miniature breaker circuit breaker, MCB. The frame of MCB is a molded case. This is very rigid, strong and insulated housing in which the other components are mounted. So the body, you can say body or the frame, is electrically isolated to save the user. The second is trip unit. The trip unit of miniature circuit breaker is responsible for proper working of MCB. There are two main types of trip mechanism are provided in MCB. A bimetal provides protection against overload current and an electromagnet provides protection against short circuit current. So if we see the conclusion of working of this MCB, you have a 3 points by the bimetallic strip, by the magnet and operating lever. It can be turned off for 3 cases. So this is the beauty of MCB. It provides 3 mechanisms in a single miniature circuit breaker to make it switch off. We will find there are mainly one bimetallic strip, one trip coil and one hand operated on off lever. Electric carrying current path of a miniature circuit breaker. So it provides the protection against short circuit, protection against overloaded, as well as for any other types of faulty conditions. It can be manually turned off. So for MCB, 3 various mechanisms for turn off the MCB, but for turn on you should manually pull the lever upward to make it turn on. So this is all about SFU and MCB. Thanks for watching this video.